Hey there, it's Elizabeth, and welcome back to another Ramble session. I hope y'all are doing well. I'm gonna chat, ramble to ya while I do something on this page here. This is some of the kids at school. They had a fundraiser and they reached their goal, and so they had this, end of the week. Like a color, I guess in some places they do like a color run and they use this colored powder stuff. In this case, I don't know, they just ran around, but they had loads of fun. And yeah, what a mess. What a mess, but a colorful, fun mess. So, glue. Okay, yeah. So, I hope y'all had a good week and a good weekend. We had a fairly decent week with this at the end, so we didn't do all too much on Friday as far as schoolwork. They were just wound up, those kids. And then, afterwards, of course, they're full of colorful dust and whatnot. So, yeah. So there's that. I just wanted to get that on there. And yeah, and I use my little daubers right here. Excuse me, these Dabo ink things, and they are super fun. They're super fun. I usually don't use them as dots, but I thought I would for this color day at school. I usually use them like this in the background, just zhuzh them around, right? No, not on on the back of this page I have it. This was like a vintagey weekend. I don't know where else. Yeah, like this back here. They're just a lot of fun to use, I'll put the link below. They're not, I don't think they're too pricey. And they have, I don't know, an array of colors, And they're just bright and just fun. They're fun to use. So anyway, this weekend, this past week we had a fine week at school. And then over the weekend, we left shortly after we got home from work. My husband, my daughter, and myself, and our pup, of course, had to travel with us. So we went up a couple hours north of here on the East Coast to visit our in-laws, as well as look at some properties. Yeah. We're not sure. There might be a move in our near future, but we don't know. We don't know. So we went up to look at some properties. We, we did find one that we think we really, liked and could see ourselves living there. And so, who knows? Who knows? That means though that we, not just I, but we would have to leave our gems. And you know how I feel about that. Okay. So I don't know. We'll have to see. We're still talking it over with the Lord, and we'll see what happens. We'll see what what His will is, what the plan is. So yeah. But anyway, while we were up there, my mother-in-law had found this picture. It was from several years ago, from 2014, of my little babies. Oh my goodness. This was around the time my daughter might have been graduating from high school, I think. Oh my word. My beautiful, beautiful babies. So this is like a visitor's pass to like the condo association or whatever. And so I keep that, and I'm going to use it as a pocket. Then this is going to either go in the pocket or go straight on top. I don't know, but I want to put it in there. And then of course I will make a pocket out of this to put like the information and stuff like that. So this was this past Friday, this was Saturday, and of course this will be Sunday. And so when I get up in the morning and come in to work in my room, I will do Sunday's page, okay? So I'll do yesterday's page when I come in this morning, right? So that's how I've been working it. It's been working out really well. Like I said, like I'm staying up to date. These are very, very simple pages. They don't take me very long at all to do, yet I've still been enjoying it immensely. I come in the morning about, I don't know, 5:30, 5:30 or so in the morning, and I work until about 6, and or play, work, play, whatever, play in my journal, and yeah, get my journaling done. So that's been working out really well. And then if you want to know, this is just a very simple journal that I made out of the outside of a composition book. I took all the inner pages out, and these were just papers that I had, like these little like newspaper pamphlet things on thicker paper than copy paper, but at any rate, I cut them down to size and sewed in 2 signatures. So, this is for my, I don't even know what month we're in, September, and this is for my October, and it's working out really well. So I'm really happy about it. I have not decorated the cover yet because I just simply have not had the time. I might just use up a bunch of my stuff, maybe. I'm not really sure. And just do a collage like I normally do. I don't know. I haven't decided. Anyway, I sewed in the 2 signatures here, and yeah, this is what I'm using, and I'll probably do the same thing or something very similar to it for my November and December. And the pages start out like this and then end up like this. Like I said, this weekend I was working in my the vintage journal that I still have not gotten finished yet. It is, I did want to mention, if you want to know how to make these journals, they are super simple to make. And there is, in the description box, there are links to 3 different styles of altered composition books that I make. And this is the 3rd one. Okay, the 3rd one in the list. So always check the description box. So I usually film this video that you're watching right now on Sunday. Y'all watch it on Monday. So we just got back into town. If I didn't mention that, I don't know if I did or not. And so I have not worked in my room the whole weekend, and yeah, I probably won't. I'll probably come in tomorrow morning and work on these few pages here, just to get caught up a little bit. And I just want to do a little blurb down here about the kids' color fun day and our trip up the coast. And yeah, and then all we did this day was we viewed 7 homes. That's all we did. So yeah, and of course, spent time with my in-laws. So that was really nice to be up there. And then this was the other thing. I have not worked on this. I just haven't had time to, but these are all the innards that are going to go into this is my creative cousin's journal. My goodness, I really hope she gets it at least by Christmas. Holy cow. She was supposed to get it in August, okay? This is the prime reason right here why I do not make and sell my journals, because it literally takes me forever to get them done, Yeah, I love it. It's a beautiful journal, and I will bring you along. In fact, coming up this week, I have a few videos about making some simple, embellishments to put in, or, whatever. Not this one. I didn't film this one yet. This is a simple little sewn book. And then this one I haven't made a video about. And it's very simple as well. It's just a little corner pocket. And so, yeah, so this week coming up, there'll be a few videos on these tags and these pockets and that other thing. This little thing here, which is so adorable. So adorable. So, yeah. Let's see. I was contacted again by Your Creative Studios, so I will be getting another subscription box. What a great, fantastic surprise that was. So yeah, that'll be coming up in the near future too. I've got to get this journal done. Oh my gosh, I keep saying that. I really do. I really do. And especially if we do end up moving in the future, it won't be until I think next summer. Yeah. But it also means that I will have to clean out my craft room, which is a nightmare. Yeah, so I don't know. We'll see what happens. I'll have to get rid of a lot of stuff. I don't know. I'm just not really sure. I don't know how that's going to go. I don't know if I'm going to end up trying to sell it off or just donate it or give it or whatever. I don't know. I don't know. But yeah, so I want to get caught up in this book, and of course finally film a few more videos for the Creative Cousins Journal, and then get that wrapped up and sent out, wrapped up and sent out, because good grief, that poor girl, she's been waiting a long time for it, and I feel terrible about it. So yeah, that's a short video today, very short video. Look forward to those videos that are coming up of the Creative Cousins Journal, and in fact the book itself, right, let me get it again here. This book itself is the second in the description box of how I alter composition books. This is an altered composition book with 3 signatures sewn in, and it's vintage, so vintage style, just with a black spine and 3 signatures. So I made this years ago, and now I'm finally putting it to good use. So always check the description box. There are the links to the videos on how I make all of my composition notebook journals. There are 3 different styles, so pick which one you like the best and go for it, because journaling is super fun. So yeah, I think that's all I have for you today. Honestly, this is a tiny short video, but I'm gonna go hang out with my hubby. I don't even think I'm gonna work in here today at all. I think I'm gonna go and relax, talk about our future. And just relax with the old hubster. I should probably be in here finishing up my Creative Cousins Journal, but I'm not gonna do that today. So I don't know, maybe I'll really have to just put my foot down with myself and come in here after work and get it done. Just get a few videos put out about it, and because I do want to do a flip through of it for y'all as well. Oh, you know what I could do is I could also film a flip through of my July, if I even journaled in July. I don't even know. So I don't know what I'm doing. This year's been kind of a mess, up and down, sometimes journaling, sometimes not journaling. Y'all had just seen last week, I think it was, my May flip through, which was like no journaling at all in the entire book. I told you everything that happened in the month of May in that video, but there was no journaling, hardly any decorating. And so sometimes that's just the way that life goes, So I hope to spend more time in here, but I don't see that happening in the very near future. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what I can do in the mornings before I go to work. I think I might even start going into work a little bit later. I don't want to lose my parking spot though, that's important. Parking spots are important. So we'll see what happens. That way that'll give me a little more time in the morning to spend in here before I'm off to work, because when I get home, let me tell you, I am beyond tired when I get home, beyond tired. So anyway, so we had a really wonderful weekend. I hope y'all did too. I hope you have a great week ahead, a fantastic week ahead. And look forward to those videos. I do believe they're coming up this week. Maybe they're coming up part of this week and some of next week. I don't know. But it is the Creative Cousins Journal. So it's just very few videos, not very few videos, what am I trying to say? Like a few ideas on how to make embellishments, vintage style embellishments, super simple. I'm not recreating the wheel. I'm just, making embellishments. So tucks, tags, pockets, things like that for the journal. And y'all expressed that you wanted me to bring you along, so that I am doing. I hope you enjoy those videos, and if you would like to know when new videos come out, make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell so that you can get notified the next time a video comes out. So I will have some videos coming out, as well as flip throughs, as well as maybe I'll even try to film a journal with me in the morning. That would be fun. We'll see. Real-time journaling. I don't know. We'll see. So anyhow, have a great rest of your day. Have a wonderful week. Thank you for joining me and spending your time with me, and I will talk to y'all real soon. Bye for now.